Hello students, in this video we'll discuss about wrapper class, autoboxing and unboxing. Now what is a wrapper class? The wrapper class encapsulates or wraps the primitive data types within a class to form an object representation of it. The examples of wrapper class: for the 8 primitive data type you have got the respective wrapper class. Like for boolean, the wrapper class is capital B boolean. For byte, it will start with capital B. Now the differentiate you can see primitive, they are keywords, so they need to start with small letters. But wrapper class, they start with uppercase, and you can see for int it is integer, for char it is character. So every primitive data type has got its own wrapper class. Now, what is the need of this wrapper class? Now, usually when we have to save a value, we save it in the primitive data type. We declare a variable of the primitive data type and we store a value within it, and during the course of the program we manipulate the value and we use it for some purpose. But there are certain instances where you need to do certain operations on the value or on the it, you have to use it as an object. Like you can see, for example, you can see when we use the buffer reader, input stream reader, you use integer.parseInt because you have to convert the value from string to its integer type. So that cannot be done with using the primitive data type. For that you need to have an object. That is why you can see in integer.parseInt, integer is the wrapper class, dot as you know is the operator, and parseInt is the method that is used to convert a string value to integer data type or integer wrapper class. Now character.to uppercase, same way character wrapper class is used. Dot operator we are using. To uppercase is the method used to convert a character to the uppercase. So wrapper class, you can say that for every primitive data type it creates an object using which you can operate on the methods. Like in the buffer reader or input stream reader example, you can see Java program performs input-output operation using streams. Now, usually you use the scanner class, but there's another method also, the input stream reader, in which values are accepted in the form of stream of strings. A stream is a path along which the data flows. It transfers data from source to destination. In a program, you need input from the keyboard. Thus, we can say system.inStream, which is also known as standard input. So it takes a flow of data from the keyboard in the form of string. Similarly, you use the system.outstream as the standard output. We use the method of system.outstream to print. Now here you can see in a program, we are creating objects of the input stream reader, then we are passing it in buffer reader, and then we are accepting values. You can see I'm using integer.parseInt. Here integer is my wrapper class, parseInt is a method to accept a value in the string format, convert it to the integer format, and I'm storing that value in the primitive data type int variable int. So you can see here it's a combination of primitive data type and your wrapper class. So next we come to what is the difference between parse and value of. Now value of you might have learned in the string when you were studying the string chapter, string handling chapter. Now what's the difference between parse and value of? Parse method of the wrapper class converts a string to its corresponding primitive data type and returns it, whereas value of method converts a string to the corresponding wrapper object and returns it. So you need to be very careful over here. Parse is converting a string to its corresponding primitive data type, whereas value of converts a string to the corresponding wrapper object. So parse conversion to primitive data type, value of conversion to wrapper object. Now we come to few examples of wrapper class. Now explain the statement character C equals to A. Here character is a wrapper class. So an object named C of the wrapper class character is being initialized with character constant A. Then we have string S equals to 123. Now the question is, write a statement so that the numeric value of the variable S may be stored in an integer. So over here I'm having an integer primitive data type variable a equals to, using the wrapper class integer.parseInt method, I'm converting the string to its integer format. So here I'm using parse, it is getting converted to primitive data type. Next we have double d equals to 12.36. Now this is in double format. To convert it to string format, here I am using, the question is write a statement so that a numeric value of the variable d may be stored in a string variable. So I'm using the double wrapper class and I'm using the method toString to convert a double value to its string format. Now you can see there are some more examples of wrapper class function. For binary number, you have integer dot to binary string. For octal, it is integer dot to octal string. Now for hexadecimal, it is integer dot to hexa string. Now these are all belonging to the wrapper class method. Now we come to autoboxing and unboxing. Now, autoboxing is automatic conversion of primitive type to the object of the corresponding wrapper class. For example, conversion of int to integer, long to wrapper long, double to wrapper double class. So here you can see in the example, integer a equals to 6. When I write wrapper class b equals to a, here b is my object and a value is being stored in the object b. But unboxing is just the reverse of it. It is just the reverse process of autoboxing, automatically converting an object of a wrapper class to its corresponding primitive type. For example, converting from integer to int and long to long. From wrapper to integer, it is to primitive data type, it is getting converted. Here, for example, I've created an object A of wrapper class integer having the value 10 in it. When I write int x equals to A, unboxing will be done. It will convert from an object to a primitive data type. So this is the difference between autoboxing and unboxing. Autoboxing, conversion from primitive data type to wrapper class, and unboxing is from wrapper class to primitive data type. So I hope you have understood this topic. So thank you and all the best.